Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Canva in 2020. It's a bit of a tour. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. So what you want to do at first is choose a design that you want to use. So if I go here, I will see Instagram posts, and then you have YouTube thumbnails, you have animated social media that is super fun, and you have videos, Facebook post logo, you have stories, template, and so much more. But to keep it simple, I'll walk you through an Instagram post. So you choose an Instagram post, and then you can see all the different templates. They are by category. You can search a category, like you could search Mother's Day, for example, and then some templates will show up. So you pick one. And then if you want to change the text, you click here. You can edit the font, you can edit the size, you can edit the text color, you can put it bold or remove the bold, italic, underline, and so on. You can adjust the position of your text here. This is to put capital, uppercase, lowercase. Points and spacing is really great to choose the letter of or the line spacing. Now, if you want to add certain text, you would go here and then the text box will come. You can add a text box and edit your text. See how it came up over here, or choose some font combination. If you want to delete an element, you click on it and you delete it. Now, if you want to change an image, these are image placeholders. So see, if I delete this, you'll see this is an image placeholder. And I'm going to undo this. But you go into photos and you have access to millions of photos. So if I say mommy, for example, and then I looked at the different photos that come here and I say, okay, this is a super cute one. So I'm going to put this one here instead. And then if I decide to edit this image, if you double click on it, it allows you to move it, and then you click done when you like where it is. You can also apply some effects. You can apply the filter, or do some custom adjustment to your image. You can crop it, flip it, and so on. If you like to add an image, you can go here and upload any image from your computer. You can decide to add an image there that you have from your computer, and it will show up, and then you take this image and you put it in your placeholder. Now, once you search your photos, you can put them here. Then you can also add some elements. And one of the elements that I really like, you have lots of different elements you could add, but I like these frame space holders and the shapes. So shapes, I could add this, for example. I can decide to put it here, and then I can change the color. Let's say put a little red and reduce the transparency, and then maybe add a bit of text to it. So that would be a way to use a form. And then you can also use a frame placeholder for an image like this, for example, if you decide to add a photo that you have or some other images. And see here, a little monkey. Are your kids monkeys? Mine sure are. So there you go, you can adjust your text. So this is how you go about doing an image. If you want to do a series of images, you can always duplicate here and then do some edits. And then when you download, you can download right here, and you can delete the background if you want, and you can choose the page that you want to download if you have a series that you keep copying because it's your template. And then you download it to your computer. This is where you would add a heading. Now, oh, this is for links as well, really cool. I'm gonna go over quickly about the different options of templates that you can have if you go. Your designs are saved, by the way, so you can always go back to them on the app or on your desktop. Now, if you look into templates, and then we can look at videos and quickly at some animated social media, because those are super fun these days. So I'm gonna put, say, video and show you the options that you have. So if you go under video templates, see all these, you can use them, and then you can see some part of like just one little part of the video, and you can decide to use these templates and adjust them. You could use this one and you can edit it. with your own different videos. You can search a video library here as well. You can add some music, can add videos. See how these are all great. These are all super cool videos. Put this in there. Or undo it. You can delete this one. So you can just play endlessly with video templates and create your own little video. So you can go here and you can download different video format. So same with animated social media templates. It's the same as your images, but it allows you to do everything with some video. So quick look. Animated social media, and this is, see, animated Instagram stories, presentation, animated templates. How cool is that, right? So I've used this for testimonials before because I think it's really fun when it stands out. And so you can go here and you can potentially add your own testimonial and then have it look prettier. So this is a quick overview of Canva. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and look into the search icon. You can search all sorts of different topics. Thank you. Have a great day.